Great. So my name is Ryan Grimes. I'm the president of My IT Indy, and this video is about the lies you tell yourself as a business owner. So I'm a business owner myself. Sometimes we lie to ourselves to make ourselves feel better and to make ourselves think we're doing the right thing. But regarding technology, I'm here to dispel a lot of the lies that we tell ourselves because they are harmful to your business and could potentially put you out of business if you stick with them. So the first lie we're going to talk about is the lie that you can bring an in-house guy in for the same price as outsourcing your IT. Now, I run an outsourced IT company, so I'm a little biased. However, a lot of times we talk to clients, especially larger clients, that are looking at a dollar figure that is comparable-ish to the salary of hiring somebody in-house. Well, the answer to that is yes, you can choose to go that route and hire one person to work in-house for maybe what an outsourced IT provider or an MSP would charge you. However, some of the things you need to take into consideration are the fact that you're not just outsourcing to one single person, you're outsourcing to a team. So here at My IT Indy, we have a team of technicians ranging in talents from security to networking to cloud services to software development and to help desk support. Whereas if you hire one person to work in-house for your company, you're only getting the skill set of that one person. And that could be great. They could be the world's greatest IT person in the entire universe. And that may be the route you take with your business. But most human beings can't know everything about everything, which is why companies like us exist, because we hire more people to learn different parts of technology so that combined we are the experts in business technology to help you. Another reason people will want to hire in-house, or they should hire in-house, is because one person needs to take a vacation, right? They can't be on call all the time. They need time away from the office. Well, what happens when they're away from the office? What happens when something goes bad and they're on a cruise in the middle of the ocean and you cannot get your technology to work in your business? Well, what happens, right? Well, with an outsourced IT provider like us, somebody else just takes over. Somebody else reads the notes that we've taken on your company. Somebody looks at all the prior history of what's happened, and then we come up with a plan to service your company as if nothing was different. So we are better than a single IT person working at your company in that regard. The other thing is the cost of tools. Like, our tools are expensive. Like, that's part of what you're paying for with our service. So not only paying for those tools, which would be an added cost on top of a salary, but the training and certification on those tools is probably more expensive. I know Microsoft certifications aren't cheap. Apple certifications aren't cheap. Jamf, Ninja, the software we use to do our ticketing, like, those certifications cost us money because we have to dedicate time and resources to get the people trained on those things. Well, if you have one person, you really can't send them away for a week to go to Microsoft training or to go to Jamf training or to go to Apple, get an Apple certification. Like, that takes time away from you getting the support you need. Whereas with a company like us, we can cycle people in and out getting certified all the time, and it doesn't make a difference in our service deliverability. Those are just a few reasons why you should not consider bringing IT in-house and use an outsourced IT company such as My IT Indy.